So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education. Voina general knowledge second part can discuss anga. Hemi video hi also beneficial for high school quiz competition, inter-university quiz competition, quiz for class 6 to 12. Hemi beneficial vedona tiang quiz competition vela. Chon general knowledge video panga mapon I ka upload to indu chon inve check out te. Chon mathematics concept po I ka upload to. Hemi to pathum hian nimina question anlo changa comment section a pheng mong utlang wala niya mitochondria powerhouse of cell chu mitochondria dikaming tansangi pon achanga chon zwala hausel ani po hian mitochondria tia so voina I digital chocolate ka khilai changa inti dikawangin. So start ila welcome question. Tropic of Cancer do not pass through each of the following states. Hamas ajon tropic of Cancer hi countries 17 countries train pass chon 8 Indian state train pass boka Indian state train pass continent itaila continents chu pathum tuna trick ka shilchong mo trick ka shilchong a trick chu hami nia rama JCB chu ngatinge avan muang avan muang ma heta R hi Rajasthan ania chuan M hi Madhya Pradesh ania J hi Jharkhand ania chuan C hi Chhattisgarh ania B hi West Bengal ania chuan G hi Gujarat ania chuan T hi Tripura ania chuan atopa muang ami M hi Mizoram hey Mizoram ania. So can answer to tropic of Cancer do not pass through each of the following state ti chuan Chhattisgarh train across chu apasa Jharkhand trang pon pasa West Bengal trang pon pasa chuan Mizoram trang pon pasa. So can answer will be all of the above. Hemi tricky boy tlagin ti do chuan hemi po in ti thei thomo Rama's JCB 8 GMT in Sham Greenwich Mean Time ania GMT. So R hi Rajasthan ania M hi Madhya Pradesh ania J hi Jharkhand ania C Chhattisgarh B chu West Bengal G hi Gujarat ania M hi Mizoram ania and T hi Tripura. Hemi po trick in mang thei. Okay, so tuna video here tirrain top thleng anula question can start to dona question number 1 voinami video question number 1 ania maseng hemi series question number 26 ani video topa question pakhat ka zo chunga I kan en chin leda ne enzatin ngen answer. So our today's first question: the Tehri Dam is constructed on the river. Tehri Dam tichan Tehri Dam hi India Rama Dam sang berania mo highest dam in India hemi shia tangai apoi moi highest dam in India tichon Tehri Dam. Hemi dam hi Bhagirathi river a omta khoyange omti chon Garhwal district a oma hemi hi district a om chon Garhwal district eng state ange om UK chu nge United Kingdom de an lo ti velenge Uttarakhand ani ma mi Uttarakhand hi main eng state ange om ti chon Uttar Pradesh a om trin ama chon mo atuna chon I state dang ni veto Narmada river apo dam pakhat omatro chumi dam chu enge ming insham I ming chu Sardar Sarovar Dam ania chon Narmada river hi Amarkantak atangina ron chuak trina Amarkantak range mo I Madhya Pradesh atangina lo chuak trina. Hemi Narmada river bank a hian statue of unity po om inshang mo statue of unity chon statue of unity kha I tunge tu statue nge ti chon Sardar Vallabhbhai chon Patel hemi hi inshia tangaya. Brahmaputra so itaila Brahmaputra chuan I Majuli Island ama chu khovel pumpuya I river island lian ber ania. Mahanadi option number 3 Mahanadi hi khoyange omti chuan Urissa state a Mahanadi apo dam pakhata oma chumi dam mingchu ange inshia Hirakud Dam chu India emo inside a khovel pumpuya dam saber mo longest dam ti chuan longest dam in the world ti chuan enge Hirakud Dam hemi po hi inshia tangai chon hemi hi Mahanadi river mo inshia ti hian tiang zat knowledge question number 1 akalo share cheu ni mo So tuna next question kanana nga hemi question somni pangahi question zangin kan discuss chin. So in lo endonya. Tuna question number 27. Which of the following is one of the articles of the Constitution of India that mentions the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Eng article nge 156, 148, 352 nge 280. Hemi hi in sham. Answer say mine adang kan discuss potanga mo 156 situ term of in shianga. Insiat lo jon tian zia ko lama mo I notin siam lo pon tian ngai thlaula notin siam jon thal tu kamo term of office of governor governor hemi hi article 156 a ama jon article 352 chu insianga national emergency jon 280 hi finance commission hemi po hi insiat angaya kan answer ange don ange bang 148. So 148 will be our answer tiangan. In which part of India are the Patkai Bum Hills located? Hemi inshe mai thea eastern part of India nia answer mo seven sister kan the chindro seven sister le one brother hemi hi inshe tangaya seven sister chon state pasari oma chu engenge ti chon Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh le Nagaland. Chon one brother hi Sikkim. Hetania Patkai Bum Hill allocate chu. Tuna Garo Hill, Khasi Hill, Gentia Hill po northeast oma. Chichukoya Meghalaya oma. Who discovered cell in the human body? Human body a cell tunga discovered ti chon Herbert Spencer hi tunga ti chon. Doctrine of the social Darwinism. Albert Einstein jun shianga theory of relativity ron petu khania relativity theory ron pe ya chon equation nge ron pe ti chon E equals to mc square. Albert Einstein in Nobel Prize dong vetro maseng khami Nobel Prize kha unfortunately hemi wang hena dong mi alonio theory of relativity wang dong lawa photoelectric effect wang hena dong zo hemi poishiaula chon atopa mi Charles Darwin hi chuin shamai the theory of evolution so kan answer chu Robert Hooke. The term Nife refers to Nife hi enge nickel le Fe ferrous iron ania nickel le ferrous. Hey arthania onju kan khovel duom dewania earth slice pakhat sia mila hemi slice hi heta zu mila tian layer pathumam chintro tihian layer pathumam hi enge crust ania achung barami crust ania alaya mi hi mentalenia chona hnuai barami achung barami hi koran chintro hemi crust a hian engenge om chin ti chon Ca la om chin omzia chu silicon a oma silicon le aluminium a oma aluminium oma mentala engenge om ti chuan sima a oma sima om ze chu silicon le magnesium le silicon a oma maseng kora takhian enge om Nife a om nickel le ferrous iron ham chu vain kan answer chu core of the earth. On which lake is the world's only floating post office situated? Ona chu khovel pumpuya floating post office a oma chu eng lake ange om Loktak lake khu ange Manipura chan Ular lake Jammu Kashmir oma Chilka lake freshwater lake ania hi khu ange Orissa chuan kan answer chu Dal Lake po hi khu ange ti chuan Jammu Kashmir oma hemi Dal Lake a hian world's only floating post office ona chu tian lake a omanga chumi chunga chuan post office oma chumi chu tian a float mek ti hian tian a float char Traveng tang. Masen Koshana Antinan Koyamanin Mututia. On which lake floating national park is there? Tichon Loktak Lake hi answer in Chon Aming Chuange. Kebul Lamjao National Park Koyange Tichon Loktak Lake Chon Hemi National Park hi afloat mek tuna. In which year did the third round table conference takes place? A round table conference hi pathuma oma 30, 31 le 32. Tuna thil pat pai mo Labour Party Gandhi ji le Indian National Congress tu ma an attend lo hetiang hemi round table conference a pathum na ma seng second round table conference a chon congress le gandhi ji pona atten hemi hi poimo first round table conference antika khan nge ti chon 1913 ya second ti chon 1931 chon pathum na ha 1932. Which one of the following is caused by a virus named varicella zoster? Cholera hi chu bacteria wangania. So hemi ni thailo hemi yan enge affect chin ti chuan intestine kan intestine affect china rabies hi chu virus ania virus wangania hemi dog bite amo hey ramsa infected animal te wangani china chuan hemi hi aming dang chu hydrophobia pon china mo hydrophobia hemi yan enge affect ti chuan central nervous system saliva ti te mo affect china polio po virus wangania so kan answer chu chicken pox. To our next question, in which year was the first amendment of the constitution of India made? Kan constitution amendment amendment ze chu change ania thil engamani ti danglamna anlo ti danglamani chuan kami ka amendment ante thin concept of amendment eng country tangin nge kan lak ti chuan enge South Africa nia chuan article number engzat nge ti chon 368 ania chon part ange om ti chon 20 amo xx kan ti theimo xx roman number a chon xx ania chon numeric value a chon 20 part number 20 a ama sabera anti kuma khan ngan amen ti chon 1951 hi kan answer e don. Question number 35. Which among the following is not an insulator? Insulator chu body pakhatama hemi body atang hian electric current pass thailo chuan ema flow a thailo chuan kami kha insulator ene tuna dry paper in shianga paper train current a pass thailo mo electricity pass thailo tuna ebonite kananga ebonite ange ti chuan mitam ta inshalo mi te ebonite rubber angdawani chana mo rubber sak dawani china glass atang pon current flow ngailo maseng mercury atang hian current pass chain so can answer will be mercury. Channel subscription reminder omle to hai ka video stay train ti chon channel subscribe la in shia thiam le in log win chon in lo like anga chon I thian te point lo share anga engamani zo turin nei chon emo suggestion in pek du chon comment section in lo suggest don ya ka video sin du lo chon in lo dislike thei thowa chutachang chon I ke mai improve kalo to manga emo explain dani ti dang lamshet kalo to mo. So our next question, which of the following rivers form the Dhuadhar waterfall near Jabalpur? Jabalpur ko yange Madhya Pradesh chan voi tham tak kasai to Madhya Pradesh ang river nge inshem Narmada river mi answer ni maila baga mo thil bhat ka shlang cho khoshan tam tak chu a khoshan en ringot atang pona shiat thai kan remember lo pona apoimi lo kan shiat lo pona poilo maseng a option atang ringot pohian kan shathai Narmada hi answer e don Narmada hi khoi train nge ran chu atrin ti chon Amar Kantak atangina ran chu ka Amar Kantak highest peak chu ange ti chon Amar Kantak highest peak ange ti chon Maikal range antia hemi hi asang bera chon Narmada in shianga west flowing river an chin omzia chu hei India ni chon helama flow ngai lo hei Bay of Bengal nia Bay of Bengal a flow lowa Arabian Sea a flow train Arabian Sea on loot train chon ma pon ka shil to chotro chon Narmada river a dam pakhata oma enged amingka Sardar Sarovar dam ania chon Narmada river banka statue pakhatom statue mingchu statue of unity e chon thil bat statue of unity siam tu ka tunge design tu siam tu ka tunge art architecture ka tunge ti chon Ram V Sutar hemi inshiatur. Question 37. The power of a lens is -2 D hemi D yange and then fundamental unit in shiatro time to second distance to meter amount of substance to mole chu tiang bok chen power of lens po hian unit anei chumi unit chu ange degree ni lawa distance ani lawa dilation ani lawa diopter hi a unit ani shin power of lens equals to 1 by f hemi formula 1 by focal length. Question number 38. In which year was the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association HSRA was founded? Amasachon HSRA chungchang kan soilo kanga. HSRA kha Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru le Sukhdev tenan siyama. Anmani hi an main leader an chinamo. Chon hemi association hi Delhi an stata Delhi akhoya ti chon Firoz Shah Kotla atangin an stat mo Firoz Shah chon Kotla hemi Delhi ama heta trangyan an start so kan answer will be entikuma khan nge di jon 1928 question number 39 who among the following first translated the Bhagavad Gita into English Bhagavad Gita hi Hindu hau holy book ania tro holy book ania Christian chu Bible mo chu tiang bok chuan Bhagavad Gita chu Hindu hau holy book ania chuan Quran ti chuan Muslim hau chu Quran so kan answer chu Charles Wilkins question number 40 how many degrees does the earth rotate about its own axis in an hour okay in 1 hour omzia chu ami ju harwak lawan numerical lang dawni mo 360 rotation bahata 360 angle om trina to 360 degree chuan ni khata dar ka reng zat nge om 24 hemi kan cancel anga 12 in kan cancel anga 12 3s are 13 ya chuan 12 2 chuan 30 by 2 chu 15 is kan answer question number 41 ozone at the higher level of the atmosphere is a product of dash acting on oxygen molecule okay ingthil nge ron om zia tak chu khita atmosphere oxygen hi engthilin nge aron tau chuan khamithil aron taw wangin oxygen molecule diatomic hian monoatomica aron siam zela aron break thinamo aron strike nuwa chu nascent oxygen kan thina nascent oxygen chuan hemi nascent oxygen hian diatomic molecule omzia chu oxygen molecule avar react leya chuan ozone siam thin chumi thil chu ange ultraviolet radiation ania chumi thil chu stratosphere atmosphere UV ray ron luta khata khan oxygen molecule kha break khami oxygen molecule ka OO nascent oxygen aron form chon nascent oxygen in diatomic molecule oxygen a react nuwa ozone siam heta ozone layer siam train stratosphere ozone layer omo khami ozone layer kha ultraviolet radiation aron kalle hian lu aron phal ngai lo mo aron block tlat zel ozone layer in chon hemi ozone layer khoyange ti chon stratosphere on chen kan answer will be UV radiations question 42 which of the following is a heritage site of Madhya Pradesh okay adang pathum hi han discuss potila hampi khoyange ti chon Karnataka nia so hemi chu ani thailo phot Sasaram hi khoyange om ti chon Bihar oma Sasaram hi chu Magad time alar dukama Magad thun lai Lipakshi temple hi khoyange ti chon Lipakshi temple hi chu Andhra Pradesh oma mo hemi hi Andhra Pradesh so hemi poi kan answer ni thailo hampi hi eng capital nge Vijayanagar empire capital ani china mo hemi Vijayanagar empire capital ani china mo hampi hi so kan answer will be Bhimbetka hi Madhya Pradesh 43 the battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri Humayun le Sher Shah Suri inkara battle ama hemi battle hi 26 June chuan kumsang kha zanga 39 a khan anin battle ta hemi battle hian Humayun kha tlan chia kumsang kha zanga le somli atrangin kumsang khat le zanga somnga panga thleng Humayun atlan charchar dikhan nupui te poneya chen fa te poneya mo akbarane ma fa kha akbarania hemi wanlom akbara hi engma lekha po thiam lo apa kha atlan kual renga chumi wangchana fa afa pa pon akbar pon engma lekha po zirte no phalam so akbar chu lekha thiam lo empire ant train Sher Shah Suri voina rupee kan man hi mo rupee kan man hi Sher Shah Suri aron introduce ma saber hemi po hi apoi mo chon thil phat interesting do ka shil chonga Sher Shah Suri hian mo GT road asiama GT road chumi kong chu khoi tanga khoi lai thlenge Asia a kong sei berle oldest berani hemi chichu kilometer sang ni zangania enge connection ti chon Kabul atrangin Peshawar a chuan Peshawar train New Delhi ania chon New Delhi train Kolkata ania chon Kolkata train Chittagong in siang Chittagong chu khoyange ti chon Bangladesh Chittagong hima hemi in sia tangai ka handwriting hi thain tilo mai thei mo ma seng ka soi hian ngai thlaula notin siam chon tikhan I video hi pause lo mo chon in lo ziak don nia Who among the following conceived the Kakori train robbery in 1925 August Nikwa 1925 Lucknow city bula mun pakhata oma chu Kakori antithen mo Kakori chan hemi Kakori conspiracy Ram Prasad Bismil le Asfaqullah Khan tite hemite hi HRA member an yamo HRA an manin planning an siama chuan train akal lai mek atlan lai mekin robbery an englo ni chu an rokani chu hemi train himo so kan answer will be third one Ram Prasad Bismil le Asfaqullah Khan. Which of the following is also known as Epsom salt? Epsom salt is inorganic salt ania hemishiaula mo. Chon a chemical formula hi engeti chon MgSO4.H2O omzia chu magnesium sulfate ania chon 7 omatro 7 om chon IUPAC a hepta kan de hepta chon H2O ni chon hydrate hemi shiatur Entinan gypsum in shianga tro gypsum in shianga mo e plaster of Paris in shianga gypsum chu CaSO4.2H2O ni ha tange kan certain calcium sulfate dihydrate kan de di chu panini wangin chu tiang bok chon MgSO4 magnesium sulfate dot heptahydrate kan de Who is the Supreme Commander of the Defense Forces of India? India the agent president ni kan Supreme Commander ni How many islands are there in Lakshadweep? Lakshadweep island and zat ngam island omziachu land which is surrounded by water body. So hemi avain somthumle parukom Lakshadweep capital chu angeti chan Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Chemical substance present in bones and teeth. Calcium phosphate calcium le phosphorus hemi pani kan bona omthin chona chemical formula chu calcium phosphate hemi answer 1 billion bytes is approximately equal to billion angemzia million in shianga million chu 10 to power 6 ania chan pathum belle ngali hemi hetan pathum kan bel chan billion ani thin no chan trillion chu angati chan trillion chu pathum bel leila sompani hemi tian so billion aniatro 10 to power 9 chu kan dichin gigabyte kan dichin giga hi 10 to power 9 ani chin ma so megabyte chin shianga 10 to power 6 ania terabyte in shianga 10 to power 12 ania chon petabyte in shianga 10 to power 15 ani chin so kan answer will be 10 to power 9 omze chu gigabyte hemi question to berani voinami Who wrote the play Mirch Katika, the Little Clay Cart, a social drama which touches of grim reality? Hemi a answer to Sudraka hi a answer ani. So voinami kan question discuss zong hi short note in siam chana chalutuka short note in siam lo pon poilawa tian ngai thlaula story ang pon ngai thlaula mo earphone vuaula in benga so hetilai thleng video in enawangin kalom lutuka hemi ni voina question kalo zo du chu nimina khan ka explain to ka explanation video hemi pohi kashil chautro highest peak of Nilgiri mountain a answer chu comment section in lo comment anga chuan niminami video karon upload kha a link description a kalo danga kalom lutukani tun thleng in lo watch tun thleng in lo ena kalom khop mai next video ka in mule vek don ya thank you